Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. In this video I will tell you 10 facts about Dubai. So here are the 10 facts about Dubai. Fact number 1. Dubai has a police force of luxury supercars including Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Bentleys. Fact number 2. The world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, is located in Dubai and has a height of 828 meters. Fact number 3. The Dubai Mall is the world's largest shopping mall, with over 1,200 stores and a total area of 5.9 million square feet. Fact number 4. Dubai is home to the world's largest man-made island, the Palm Jumeirah, which is shaped like a palm tree and is visible from space. Fact number 5. The world's only 7-star hotel, the Burj Al Arab, is located in Dubai and has a unique sail-shaped structure. Fact number 6. Dubai is the home of the largest gold market in the world, the Dubai Gold Souk, which contains over 300 retailers and trades up to 10 tons of gold per day. Fact number 7. The Dubai Miracle Garden is the world's largest flower garden, with over 45 million flowers covering an area of 72,000 square meters. Fact number 8. Dubai has a population of over 3 million people, but only about 15% of them are actually citizens of the UAE. The rest are expatriates. Fact number 9. The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is one of the largest indoor aquariums in the world and houses over 33,000 aquatic animals. Fact number 10. Dubai has its own indoor ski resort, Ski Dubai, which features a 60-meter high indoor mountain in real snow all year round.